So in this video, we are going to solve another programming assignments in Python. And for this assignment, the instructions as given on the screen. So in this program, what we have to do, we have to create a program max.py. So you can create uh, any separate files for this one. But this right now, I am just using the Google Colab for writing code. Okay, so you can create the separate Python file with the name max.py or any meaningful name. So what this program will do, so this program, or you can say, that has a functions that take three integers argument. Okay, and the program will print out the highest of three values. Okay, so let's do the coding part. So first, what we have to do, we have to create a functions that take three integers or argument. Okay, so let's define the functions. Like, so you can write any meaningful name like max values. Okay, and inside this one, so I'm going to give any meaningful name like first number. Okay, second number or integers, or third number. You can also make it a very simple like ABC, but that is not any issue. But I'm just going to write some meaningful name. And inside the functions, what we have to do, we have to write different conditions. So for suppose we have to check a given number is uh, highest or maximum. So in this case, what we have to do, so suppose if we have to, if number one or first number, okay, is maximum, so in this case what will the conditions? So if, just I'm writing in the comment, if first number is max or maximum, so the conditions should be first number should be greater than second number. Okay, and also the first numbers should be greater than third number. Okay, so I think this is the very simple thing, right? Suppose if we figure it out, if we find out that the first number is maximum or the highest value, so it should be greater than second number or third number as well. Okay, similarly, suppose if the number second or second number is the highest, has the highest value, so it should be greater than from first number and third number. Okay, like that. Similarly, like here in this, instead here, so second. Okay, so if if the second number is max, so second number should be greater than first number. Okay, first, and also the second number, like second number should be greater than third number as well. Okay, so first one, this one, and if the again, and in this case the third condition might be, because there is three numbers, right? So at the last we have to check if the third number is maximum. So in this case, if third number is maximum, so in this case third number should be greater than first. Okay, and last third number should be greater than second. Okay, so this is the logic. This is the very simple logic for checking the condition. So now what we have to do, we have to check, or now we have to write the code. So for writing if block in Pythons, we have to do simple things. Again, I'm going to copy paste these conditions instead here. Okay, we have to do like that: first number greater than second number and first number greater than third number. So in this case, output should be print first number, or like is maximum. Maximum. Okay, so this one, for if the first number is maximum, and again we have to check the second number is for, we have to also write the condition of second number, so make the proper indentations. Okay, so I'm going to do like that. So again, like this. Okay, so in this case it should match these conditions. Second number should greater than first, and second number also should greater than third one. So because one number should be greater than others two number. Okay, so check the spellings. So I'm just make sure, so just for notice, this number, like this variables is same as this one, the argument, not any others. The second argument, so this one argument, and first one is the first one, third one is this argument. Similarly, I'm just taking second argument, like second number is should be greater than first, and second number greater than should be third number as well. So in this case, second number will be maximum. Okay, and the third conditions, just again copy paste this line of code and just replace with number third. Okay, so third number, so let's paste here, and instead of here it should be second. Okay, so and also third number is maximum. So now our code is complete for this program, so let's rerun it. So check if everything is syntactically correct. Okay, so there is no error. So if you have to call, or we have to check the given program, so what we have to do, we have to call this function. So these functions, you have to enter any value like 10 or 100 and 1000. Okay, so this is the function call. So let's call this function. Okay, so there is no any output. I think we have to run it again. Why there is no any output? I think there is not any conditions match. What's wrong? I think it should be error, like it look like this if block is considered inside this one. So this one is the good thing or bad thing in Python also, because it should be properly aligned, you know, the same line. If this one, this one, this one, there are three different if block. If we press the tab or a space between this one, so this should be considered inside this if block. What is the difference? So in this case, it's not giving any output. Rerun again. Okay, so now running again. Okay, so now you can see 1000 is maximum. Okay, now test another value like this. Instead of over here, let's run this one. Okay, run it again. So this number is maximum. Okay, so this is the simple program. Okay, there is other way as well for writing maximum of three numbers or finding three numbers, but this is a very simple and easy to understand. Okay, like every time just checking first number is greater than both numbers, like second and third numbers, In second line, second number should be greater than first and third, and for third conditions, third number should be greater than first as second as well. Okay, so this is a very simple logic. There might be some other optimized version as well for coding, but this is also a good one. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another programming questions.